So guys, for today I got you a combo where we summon the Herald of the Arclight Floodgate as well as the Omni Negate with just one language. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. What we have is the language. So we'll now summon the language, activate its effect to search for your Tatsunoto Shigo, of course. Next, you'll activate Tatsunoto Shigo to spare summon himself, and now effect of Tatsunoto Shigo destroy itself to send 3 Memento monsters from your deck, of course, which will be to match its level, which will be the Goblin, the Sleepy, as well as the Mace. Next, you are going to activate your language effect, targeting the Mace to spare summon it and destroy one Memento monster you control. And now you'll activate the Mace to destroy itself to search for any Memento card from your deck, of course, which will be the Fusion. And now you'll activate your Fusion immediately to shuffle 3 Memento monsters. So shuffle everything that you use so far: Mace, Anguish, as well as the Horse. Keep the Goblin and the Sleepy in the graveyard and shuffle these for the summon of your all-important Creation King, of course. And now you will activate Creation King's effect to send 3 Memento monsters from your deck or extra deck, which will be another copy of the Creation King, as well as 2 monsters from your deck, which will be the Garrick, as well as the copy of the Akihiran. On the res, we will trigger the Garrick to spare summon itself, and Garrick will return the Sleepy into the hand, of course. And you can now first activate the Creation King, banish itself from the graveyard to search for your field spell. Right here, it's like one of these top cards, yeah, right here. And now you can banish the Bone Party right here from the graveyard to destroy your Creation King and to get your Bone Party, of course. And you're going to now trigger your Momentomic Clan as Chilling 1 targeting Creation King, and Chilling 2 will be a Akihiran. So Akihiran will be summoned as well as the Goblin right here. You can now go activate effect Sleepy to spare summon itself, and Sleepy effect to fuse with the Garrick and itself into your Twin Dragon, of course. And now you are going to activate the Twin Dragon, destroy the Akihiran to search for 2 Memento monsters right here, which will be the Horn Dragon as well as the Mace, of course. On the rest, you're going to trigger Akihiran to return the Fusion into your hand. So now what you're going to do is activate this Bone Party to destroy the Twin Dragon and special summon the Darkblade from your deck, since you didn't use it yet. And next you're going to trigger the Twin Dragon to spare summon 1 level 6 or lower Memento monster from your graveyard, which will be the Garrick, of course. And now you can activate your Darkblade to destroy itself to spare summon 1 Memento monster from your deck, which will be the Goblin. Next, what you can do is spare summon the Horn Dragon and activate one of the Goblin's effect. Destroy the Horn Dragon right here to send the Command Creation, since we haven't done it yet, and we don't really need the Horn Dragon on the field, to be honest. And you can send also the Anguish, because we don't have it in the graveyard, and Anguish is really good to have in the graveyard with the Darkblade, of course. Next, you can go now into your Herald line, which will be linking off Goblin into the Linkuriboh, and then linking the Linkuriboh off with another Goblin. So to make your I don't have a physical copy, but Cookie Yummy or any other level 2 Yummy. I think these are rare, so you have a bunch. I have a bunch in my bulk, but I didn't prepare them for this video. So we're going to, the best one is Cookie, because you can also book your opponent's monsters face down with them and go into with the tuner level 2 and the level 2 monster into your Herald of the Arclight, of course, right here. And for the last step, you can spare summon your Command Creation, and you honestly have a lot of names here, so I'll just show you exactly what to shuffle. So you shuffle the cards you really need into your deck, which will be the Garrick, the Goblin, the Twin Dragon, the Sleepy, and honestly, I would also shuffle, you can shuffle 2 Goblins, remember, and I'll honestly shuffle the Anguish here, because the Darkblade is better to have in the graveyard, since you will spare summon the Anguish in the combo. So shuffle these 5, And now special summon your command creation, set the Memento fusion, and in the end phase you can activate Momentomic Clan to set the bone party that is in your graveyard. So this actually looks like not a lot, but believe me, it's a lot. So let's see what we have on this handboard. We have when your opponent activates, so you can use this Omni Negate at any time. And this card is also, if you can see it, so any monster sent from the hand or main deck to the graveyard is banished instead, and it's an Omni Negate, as you can see. So yeah, you probably know, everyone knows this card. So you can use this at any time. So this is one Omni Negate. Let's say that is one interruption. Next, when your opponent activates a card or effect, and remember, when you activate the Omni Negate, you can trigger this, because I think you negated the activation right here. Yeah, so you can trigger this on the separate card. So just press summon your Creation King. Next, when you need to destroy some cards, you can activate Creation King to destroy itself and another card, which will be 2 interruptions. Next, you can activate Momentomic Clan, chilling 1, directing the Creation King, and chilling 2 will be the Akihiron in the graveyard, of course, just press summon itself right here, and the Horn Dragon with a field spell. So, next, you can activate, when you need to destroy some more cards, you can activate a Bone Party, destroy the Horn Dragon right here, just press summon your Anguish from the deck. And next, you'll activate the Anguish, chilling 1 to search, and Horn Dragon chilling 2, targeting the Akihiron, and hits 2 face-up cards to destroy them. So this resolves, and Anguish will add the Sleepy, of course. Next, what you can do is activate the Akihiron effect, trigger, targeting anything you want here, honestly. You can also, I think you'll discard anything here you add. So you can add the Goblin for the follow-up, for example, because we also want to use the Dark Blaze effect. I think this would be the 3 interruptions with the Horn Dragon. When you need to destroy a spell or trap, you can activate the Sleepy effect, press summon itself, and Sleepy right here to fuse with these 2 into your Twin Dragon, of course. And Twin Dragon effect now, destroy itself to search for 2 Memento monsters. You can search 1, the follow-up, and 2nd, the one that you don't have in the graveyard yet. And that could honestly be anything. So something like Anguish, for example, which is great to have too, because we already have a lot of follow-up here. And on the rest, you'll trigger the Twin Dragon. Just press, sorry, this is in the graveyard when you destroy the Horn Dragon. And you can now trigger the Twin Dragon. Just press summon the Dark Blade. And Dark Blade will discard 1 card, which will be the Anguish, because these 2 are like really good in the combination with all your other cards to destroy 1 spell trap your opponent controls. Latest 4 interruptions, we have the Mace right here, discarding itself to steal 1 monster, so that will be 5 interruptions, and you have your opponent's monster, and you can go Memento Fusion with these 3 into the Guardian Chimera to draw 1, destroy 2, or you can go with your opponent's monster and this from the hand to draw 2, destroy 1. And if you're playing the Dragostopelia, you also have it, so you shuffle the Creation King and the Horn Dragon here for the summon of course, our monster Dragostopelia. And yeah, this is also really good because really good end board, because the Herald of the Orclight that we used is a floodgate, and you can keep that floodgate alive with the Creation King right here. So yeah, guys, that would be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, comment down below and comment other ideas that you want to see on my channel. This is the 3rd video of the daily upload. I really hope I will succeed in this daily upload to upload every day. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.